not what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country. Ask not what America will do for you, but what together we can do for the freedom of man.
Some folks are born made to wave the flag, rule their red, white, and blue. And when the band plays hail to the chief, they point the cannon at you, Lord. It ain't me, it ain't me. I ain't no senator's son. It ain't me, it ain't me. I ain't no fortune pawn. Some folks are born silver spoon in hand. Lord, don't they help themselves, y'all. But when the tax man comes through the door, Lord, the house look like a rummage sale, yes. It ain't me, it ain't me. I ain't no millionaire son, no, no. It ain't me, it ain't me. I ain't no fortunate one, no.
And to remember that in the past, those who foolishly sought power by riding the back of the tiger ended up inside.